Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. Here we have a system of two linear equations. 4x negative 9y equals to 9y positive 5. Hy equals to 2 positive 4x. In the given system of equations, h is a constant. If the system has no solution, what is the value of h? Okay, before we start solving this problem, let's understand the concept. Okay, let me consider a system of two linear equations in standard form. That is a1x positive b1y equals to c1. Actually, this is a linear equation in standard form. That is, we have x term and y term on the left side of the equation, constant on the other side of the equation. Let me consider another linear equation in standard form. That is a2x positive b2y equals to c2. Now, let me write the ratio of the coefficients of x, that is a1 over a2, and the ratio of the coefficients of y, that is b1 over b2, and the ratio of the constant terms, c1 over c2. Okay, if the system of two linear equations in standard form has no solution, then the ratio of the coefficients of x and the ratio of the coefficients of y must be equal, and it will not be equal to the ratio of the constant term c1 over c2. Okay, now what I am going to do is I am going to write the given two linear equations in standard form so that I'll be able to use the stuff what I have discussed over here. Okay, now let me write each of the given two linear equations in standard form. Let me take the first equation, that is 4x negative 9y equals to 9y positive 5. Okay, to write this equation in standard form, we have to get the x term and y term on the left side of the equation and a constant on the right side. Okay, here we find y term on the right side. To get rid of the term 9y on the right side, we have to subtract 9y from both sides. When I do so, this positive 9y, negative 9y will cancel out. I'm getting 4x. When I combine these two terms, I'm getting negative 18y equals to 5. Okay, now I got the first equation in standard form. Okay, now let me take the second equation, that is hy equals to 2 positive 4x. Okay, here the term which contains x we have on the right side of the equation. Okay, now to get rid of this 4x, what I have to do is I have to subtract 4x from both sides. When I do so, this positive 4x, negative 4x will cancel out. I am getting negative 4x positive hy equals to 2. Okay, now I got both the equations in standard form. Now let me write the ratio of the coefficients of x, that is 4 divided by negative 4. And also let me write the ratio of the coefficients of y, that is negative 18 divided by h. Let me write it. And also let me write the ratio of the constant terms, that is 5 divided by 2. Okay, since the given system has no solution, the ratio of the coefficients of x, the ratio of the coefficients of y must be equal, and they won't be equal to the ratio of the constant terms, that is not equal to. Okay, since this ratio and this ratio are equal, we can solve for h in this equation. Okay, now let's simplify this one. 4 divided by negative 4, it is equal to negative 1. On the right side, we have negative 18 over h. Okay, now let me multiply both sides of this equation by h. Okay, when I do so, this h and h will cancel out. H times negative 1 is, we get negative h, and on the right side we have negative 18. Okay, my aim is to get the value of h. Here we have negative h. To get rid of this negative sign, we can multiply both sides of this equation by negative 1. That is negative 1 times negative h equals to negative 1 times negative 18. Okay, when I multiply this negative 1 and negative h, I'm just getting h. And on the right side, when I multiply this negative 1 and negative 18, I'm getting 18. Okay, now I got the value of h. The value of h is 18. And we find this 18 in answer choice D. The correct answer choice for this question is D.